Hi, today I'm going to show how to configure Xerox Standard Accounting on an altalink printer. I'm doing it with the Xerox altalink B8255, but it doesn't matter whether it will be altalink 8255, B or C or different speeds, and it will be same for altalink 810 series as well. Here, as you can see, I am already logged in as admin. For the first time, I will log out. So now I have to re-log in back again. Username is admin and the default password will be the machine serial number. Here I change the password. So go to properties once you are logged in as admin. So in accounting methods, the accounting will be none by default, which we have to change to Xerox Standard Accounting. So once you saved it, you can see service tracking and usage limits is disabled. I only want the tracking for copies and prints, so I will be disabling the scans. So now the scans will not be locked and it will not be tracked. Here you can see users and limits are required but not configured. There is no user. And here in the group or general accounts, if I'm going, there is a default account. I will be creating a new account with a new account ID. It's a test account, so I can give anything. It's based on your requirement, you can give anything. I'm giving as test XSA. So it's saying it's added. So there is a new group and I'm clicking default for new users. So all the new users will be getting added to the default group, that is the text XSA. So now I'm going to users and limits, add new user. So I'm giving SSA user 1. I'm giving a user ID. That username will be the user ID which will be giving it the printer driver, which I will demonstrate later. So in the accounting methods, you can see the two groups. User permissions, you can see different user roles and all these things. In the accounting methods, if you're clicking, you can see the user what we created, that is XSA user 1. So go to the print management or control panel, printers and faxes, go to preferences. In the advanced, you can disable the ID on banner page based on your requirement. And in the configuration, you can see the connection is automatic, so it took the Xerox Standard Accounting automatically, and print time prompt is enabled, and remember last enter code enabled. Accounting codes you can set it up from here. So I'm giving the account ID and user ID and keeping it on group account. I'm printing a test page. So it says test page has been sent to your printer. I have to access the remote control panel, that is the remote UI. It says print job completed, remote control panel. Let me log into the remote control panel. So starting remote session. It says a test page has been sent to your printer. That is the previous one, which I didn't closed. So close. You can see the copy icon is locked. I'm entering the user ID which I given. You can see it is logged in as XSA user 1. It is ID you need to give for login. I'm logging out. I will print again. So it prompted me for the user ID and password, and since it is remember last entered code is there, it already stored and the job got completed. And if I'm going back again, print time prompt, I'm going to disable it so that pop-up won't come. It will go without the prompt. So it's showing us administrative processing and it's printed, completed, but it doesn't prompt. So now if you are going to properties, we have to get the report. to see whether it is showing up in the report.